how to hide or collapse the keyboard on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily hide or collapse the keyboard on your iPhone. So let's dive right in. I'll show you by opening up the Messages app and then going to a conversation. Now, if you want to send a message, just tap on the message bar and you can see the keyboard pop up. So, now if you want to hide or collapse the keyboard, you simply have to swipe down the keyboard. So, there you go. You just need to swipe down, you need to hold your finger on top of the keyboard and swipe down. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.